Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to make Brave browser play in a background. So first things first is you can just simply go ahead and go to the Brave browser into your device. Now, once you are here on the Brave, select the three dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, and from here you will have an option to go to the settings. And now here on the settings tab is simply scroll down and you will have an option over here, media. So tap on the media over here on the display category. And from here, guys, if we scroll down, you should be able to see here background play. So this allows audio to play when you switch to another tab in Brave or another app. So from here, if you have this turned off, it will let you to relaunch the Brave. Now guys, for example, I play a music over here. And when you go to the notification, as you can see, you should be able to play it on the background. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.